How to unlock selection in Word. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily fix your unlocking issue on your Microsoft Word. So if you are trying to type in some words in your Microsoft Word, you might encounter the unlocking issue, so which might be due to your settings on inside the Microsoft Word. So what you can do is simply click on the file, and from over here you'll see the info option, and from over here just make sure it's not clicked on as mark as final. Make sure it's disabled, and also make sure it's not enabled with restrict access. So once you do that, what I want you to do is simply head back to your Microsoft search button over here. Once you search it, simply head over to its, sorry, it's opening. Simply head over to its official location, just like this. Let me just show you one more time. And once you head over to its location, what I want you to do is simply once again head over to its location inside the Microsoft Office. And you can also go in here from your PC option as well. So once you're inside here, just make sure you find out this particular file, that is this one, which says osprearm.exe. Just make sure you reopen this file and your error should be fixed. I have to show that from the screenshot because my Word is not official version. So that is it guys. Hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.